tutorial on how to build your own quadcopter. In this part of the tutorial we're going to go over how to configure the KK board and essentially get the platform ready for its first maiden flight. We won't be doing any fine tuning at this point. Let's get started. First, power on your radio. Once your radio is on, you can connect the battery and power on your platform. You'll arrive at the main screen, which will say Save. We can go ahead and enter the menu by pressing the button all the way at the right. Our first option is P1 Editor. Hit Enter. We're not making any changes, so we can go back. Next is Receiver Test. We hit Enter. If we move any of the corresponding sticks, the values change on the display. We can go back. Next is Mode Settings. Hit Enter. We're not making any changes. We can go back. Next is Stick Scaling. We hit Enter. Not making any changes at this time. We can go back. Next is Miscellaneous Settings. We hit Enter. Not making any changes at this time. We can go back. Next is Self-Level Settings. We hit Enter. Not making any changes. We can go back. Next is Camera Stabilization Settings. We hit Enter. Not making any changes. We can go back. Next is Sensor Test. We hit Enter. And all sensors appear to be working fine. We can go back. ACC Calibration. We hit Enter once. It'll ask us to put the platform on a level surface and then hit Continue. It'll start the calibration test. Once complete, it'll display OK and ask you to press Continue. Continue once again. Next is Cppm Settings. We hit Enter. These are the corresponding values for your receiver. If you want to change them, we don't need to. We can go back. Next is Mixer Editor. We hit Enter. We don't need to change any settings. We can go back. Next is Show Motor Layout. Here it displays that we have a quadcopter working in the X configuration. We can go back. Next is Load Motor Layout. Here you can change the type of configuration you have. We don't need to. We can go back. Next is Debug. We don't need that option. And the final option is Factory Reset. We can go back. And essentially, our KK board is ready for its first maiden flight. You can go ahead and do fine tuning once you have done your first maiden flight. On the main screen, right now it's showing safe, self-level is off, and it's showing the battery percentage. Please make sure that before you do your maiden flight, you have ensured that the motors are spinning in the correct direction. If you have any questions, please comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.